Hello everyone. Till now we have seen how can we create our function definition, but we created all those function definition in script mode. In this video lesson we will look at structure of Python program that to contain function created by us. In a Python program, all the function definition are given at the top of the program, followed by top level statements. Top level statements are the statements that are not part of any function, or we can say that are not indented at all. Python provide a special name to the top level statements known as underscore underscore main underscore underscore. Execution of Python program starts from top level statement, even though the top part of the program contains function definition, but the first part to get executed is top level statement. Here the structure of a Python program is generally like the one shown below. Here at the start of the program we have all the definition. See here three definition are shown. For function 1 first definition, function 2 second definition, function 3 third definition. When all the function definition are created, like we are done creating all the function, then we start writing top level statement. These top level statement are part of main program, which I have mentioned earlier. These are also known as underscore underscore main underscore underscore statements. Now we will see this structure with the help of a simple Python program. Now we will understand the structure of the Python program with the help of one example. So to understand that, first we will create some function. Let us create our first function, create, with no parameter here. It will just print. We have seen this function earlier also, so I'm creating the same function. Let us create one more function to get the multiplication of two numbers. Multiply, you will pass two parameters and it will calculate the product of these two and it will return it. So now we are done with the function creation part. Now what we will do, we will write top level statements here. So top level statement, as we have discussed, are the statement that are not part of any function. So this statement is not part of this function as well as this function. This is not indented under any function, so this is top level statement. So we can write within top level statement we can call our function greet and also multiply. So we will call this function one by one within top level statement part, greet, and then we will call multiply function. But since multiply function is returning a value, the product of these two numbers, it is returning here. So what we have to do, we have to catch the value it is returning in some variable. Let us say it I. 2,5. So this function will calculate the product of 2 and 5 and it will store it in C. So we will print this product by printing the value of I. So what is happening here? We have created two functions, greet and multiply, and we have written these four statements which are part of top level statements. So as we have discussed, the program execution will start from here, top level statement. If this is the first top level statement, so the program execution will always start from top level statement. So this statement will be the first one to execute it. Even though the functions are returned before this statement, this will be the first statement to get executed. So number one, this statement will get executed. After that, second top level statement will get executed. What it is? It is a function call statement. So this will call the function greet. Third one is this statement. What is happening in this statement? We are calling function multiply with two variables 2, 5. So this function will get called, and then it will return the product of these two numbers. It will get stored in I and it will print it. So what will be the output of this program? The output must be top level statement start here. This must be the first line that must be printed on the output screen, because this line will be executed first. After that, second line of output must contain good morning, because this function will get executed on the second top level statement. After that, third line of output must contain 10, because this function will get executed and we are storing the result of this function call statement in I and we are printing it. So the third line of our output must contain 10. Let us see whether this is happening or not. So for that we have to run the program. For that we have to save it. Okay, so our program is working fine like we have discussed. One more thing we have discussed, that all these top level statements are part of __main__ program. So this information is stored in one variable known as __name__. Whenever we will print the value of this name within top level statement, we will get the value __main__. So let's check whether it is working or not. First we will save it and then we will run it. So now this extra thing is coming here. What is it? What it is? It is indicating that this is main program. Thank you.